Are you in the process of planning a move? Still trying to figure out how you are going to pack and store all your belongings? Don't sweat it. Let the professional team members of HHG Movers handle your packing, loading, delivery, and storage needs. Whether you are remodeling your home, moving your family, or relocating your office, we're here to help. Everyone at our moving company, to include your dedicated move coordinator and your movers, will take pride in making certain your specific relocation needs are understood and handled professionally. Take comfort in knowing where your truck is at all times. Our well-maintained trucks are trackable on your mobile phone. Additional supplies are standard to make certain we are prepared for any unforeseen situation. Storage containers can be delivered to your driveway or parking lot if you wish to keep your belongings on site. Whether you need room for a remodel or just need the extra space to reorganize and declutter your home or office, our on-site storage containers are clean, leak-free, and affordable. Rent them by the day, week, or month. We offer insulated warehouse storage. Household goods coming into our warehouse will be inventoried, blanket-wrapped, placed in numbered storage vaults. Ask about storage, final mile delivery, and commercial services for retail, restaurant, office, or interior design. Learn more about HHG Movers and the services we offer by calling 229-302-4677 or search Google for HHG Movers to see our reviews and statements from our past customers.